Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been some time. But this week I got something really nice. And first off, to start with this one. So I bought this, 90 centimeter track. It has, I think, four individual pieces inside. I bought this only for just, I think, 40 or 50 rupees around the range from a local shop. So I will be opening this and I'm planning to use this to do the roll test, which we normally do. So let's keep this aside for a minute, and let me tell you guys, so I just went ahead for a hunt, I think a couple of weeks back. So the J case actually came to India now, and so everything is literally getting sold out, even though it is 179 rupees now. So I bought around like 15 to 16 cars for MRP. So I'm just going to showcase you what I bought, and we are going to unbox this in this upcoming week. So let's start off with this. So here it is. So I bought only like around 15 to 16 because those were the at least the ones which we can buy. So let's start off with the tuned Mazda RX-3. So I personally like this one. I personally love the tuned versions, and this is a 70 dot charger. And so here is the Pagani Zonda R. So this one is like only one in that box, if you guys are wondering. So I was not able to get so many. So, and this was two in the box, Porsche 904 Carrera GTS. And here it is. Here is the Mazda MX-5 Miata. So this one, there was a plenty, to be very honest. Even in one box, I think there were around 4 to 6 pieces, if I'm not wrong. And this is Chevelle. This also, there was around more than 4 pieces in the box. I'm just talking about each box. And here is the custom Camaro. So this was only one in the box. I do love the custom Camaro. I have the blue one. I personally like the blue one compared to this paint job here. That one was really awesome. And here's the stud breaker champ, and this is also like multiple pieces in a box. So here is the McLaren P1. So this was only one in the box when I bought. So I do have one more McLaren. You can see it here. So that one was from the Fast and the Furious franchise. So here's one of my favorite which I took this time. This is the Mercury Cougar Eliminator. So this is also only one in the box. So I really loved this one. And there is one more. Let me just show you that. Okay, here it is. So here is the Mad Mike Drift Attack. I do have one Mad Mike Drift Attack. I unboxed it a long time back. I don't even remember what car that is now. So I really loved this paint job. It's like a gradient blue. It's really beautiful. And here is one more. This is a Mazda RX-7. This is only one in the box, so it's not easy to find. And I personally loved this one. I saw all the hard cars. There were around, I think, 4, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it was supposed to be 5, I guess. So, but there were only 4. But this is the only one I personally loved, so I bought it. And last but not least, these two. So this one is a treasure hunt. So you can see here. I am going to unbox this one, and so I didn't get any STH. So, but in this case, this is the STH, but this one is a normal version. Unfortunately, I didn't get this. I don't have that much luck. Okay, guys. So let's see this week. All this unboxing, and hopefully, I'm planning to unbox more, but depends upon the time frame. And as always, thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. Goodbye.